Guys, it's me. Welcome back to my video. So today we're going back to Pole Hair Tower. Please don't add any of my friends. I'm not going. Let's see if I can make a private server. Because people keep on pulling hair, snatching my wig, bro. Please. Oh my god. Oh god, right. Well, we're still gonna do this. We're gonna just try not to get slapped by get my wig swapped. How do you say it? How do you say it? We're gonna get my wig snatched. Okay, it's the same server I was playing earlier. But first of all, we're gonna check out this. Wait, what is? Yo, get me out of here. California love. God, so many people are pulling hairs. California love. Okay, so first, we already checked out that one. Let's check out this different one that I'm going to show you. So we already talked about the hairs. And I already showed you the hairs. But first we have I will pause this and I'm going to get to the secret door. Okay, let's do this. Let's get to the secret area. Like it's even secret enough. Oh, I already missed it. Haha. I already missed it. What the? Whoa. Whoa. I don't understand this language. I'm sorry, but wait, what? What's okay? Oh my god, what the heck? Turn your volume down. Oh my god. What the heck? Vision? What is this? What is this? We gotta go behind a door, apparently? I heard you gotta go behind a door. I'm literally scared. Guys, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Don't scare me. Oh god, that literally scared me. Don't scare me. What do you mean they were here? What do you mean she was here? That's not funny. Don't play with me. I'm already scared. I don't like the music. I don't like the view. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. What? Activate? Okay. What the heck? I'm dead. What's happening? Bro, stop scaring me. Stop scaring me. Bro, stop. I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm literally gonna have a heart attack. Okay, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I don't like this. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Okay, listen, I don't like this. Please. There's no even there. Okay, please let me out. Let me out of here. It's like you can't get out. I'm gonna have to turn down my volume now. Oh god, I can't get out. Oh my god. God, I'm scared. I am scared. Let me out. What the heck? Factor? Okay, what is going on? Oh. Okay, what was that? Oh, what was that? I feel like something's in the distance over there. That literally scared me. Yo, what the? That's in my hair. Wait, what's this? Whoa, what's this? Oh, dog. What? Bro, you just took my wig. That's not nice. Stash wig back. I want my wig. Snatch. Wait, I heard there's a secret area. There's another secret area. Leave. Y'all are big backs. Y'all big backs. Oh my god, I just died. Because I need to do this quickly before I don't have no more space. Unless I won't do a part 2 actually. Dang. I say bisco, you say pati. Bisco, bisco, pati, pati. I say bisco, you say pati. Bisco, bisco, pati, pati. Hold on. Holy Spirit, activate. Holy Spirit, activate. Holy Spirit, activate. We got catnap in the house. What else we got in the house? Bro, no, not my hair. You're not taking my hair. Oh. Hold on. Holy Spirit, activate. Oh my god. That was big. I'm gonna pause this to see where it was real quick. Well, it looks like there is no more secrets. Well, we got that. That's nice. Thing. How did they do that? Okay, we're gonna have to try it again. Alright, ladies. Let's try it again. Bro, really? You know what? Get over here. Oh, I want my wig back, bro. Give me my Miku rig. Give my Miku wig back. I want my Miku wig back. Give it back. I'm gonna take your hair then. I took it. Now what you gonna do? 8. 2. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, what? What the? What? Okay, we're gonna try the next tower. Let me go see.